Hey there, welcome back to Garfin's creation. Today we'll be making the chicken cutlet pav. This recipe too is very simple and easy to make. All the ingredients are mentioned in the description box below. So let's start with the recipe. To make the chicken cutlets, I have taken 350 grams of chicken mince. This mince is thoroughly washed and drained. I'll just put it into a mixer blender and just grind it a little. Instead of the chicken mince, we can also use boneless chicken here. Just cut the boneless chicken into smaller pieces and just run it into a mixer grinder. So here I just ground it a little just for a few seconds and it gets fine soon. So just transfer this into the bowl and be adding other ingredients to this. In place of chicken mince, we can also use mutton or beef mince too. So now into this bowl, we'll be adding 2 finely chopped onions, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 inch of ginger, 5 large cloves of garlic, and 1/4 cup of freshly chopped coriander leaves. We have to chop all these ingredients very fine. You can also use a chopper here. Next, I'll be adding juice of half a lemon. Now we'll be adding some spices into it. This is 1/4 teaspoon Haldi or turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of spicy red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon Jeera powder, 1/2 teaspoon Garam Masala powder, and 1 tablespoon roasted gram flour. I'll also be adding 3/4 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt as per your taste. I'll just mix this nicely and then use my hands and mix it further till everything is well combined. I'll be just squeezing this chicken mixture so that it mixes well. I had added 1 tablespoon of oil also in this mixture, but somehow it is missed in this video. So do add that 1 tablespoon of oil into this and mix it well. So now this is well mixed and there's nothing more to do. We just have to form and make shapes and fry them. To make the cutlets, I've just taken a portion of the chicken mince. I just kept squeezing the mixture in my hands, and when the mixture got a bit tight, I just roll it into a round ball and then flatten it. This is all we have to do. We do not have to dip this into egg or breadcrumb. Gram flour is the binding agent in this, so that helps in forming these cutlets well. So before forming the shape, just squeeze it a bit tight and then make it into any shape of your choice. So here I have got 7 large cutlets. You can even make smaller ones. So now let's fry these. We will shallow fry this chicken cutlets. So just add sufficient oil into a frying pan and add the cutlets into them. Since the chicken mince is raw, we will cook this on low to medium flame. I'll keep flipping them till they get a nice golden brown and they are well cooked. So you need to cook this for around 3 to 4 minutes on each side and then flip them till you get a nice color on it. The spice level in this chicken cutlets is medium. So if you want it even more spicier, you can increase the quantity of the garam masala and the green chilies too. So now these cutlets are well cooked and it's got a nice color. So this took me around 8 to 10 minutes to be fried. So I'll fry the rest of the cutlets too in the same way. So these chicken cutlets are ready to be served. This is homemade bread and I've shared this video how to make this ladhi pav at home. This is really very soft homemade bread, and I'll put the recipe link at the end of this video and in the description box too. So I just spread some spicy pudina chutney over it and place some onion rings. Next I'll add the cutlet and you can also squeeze in some lemon over it. So our delicious homemade chicken cutlet pav is ready to be served. If you want to make this bread recipe at home, do check out that recipe too. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon again in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to Garfin's Creation. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.